Meaning of disparate.
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 Disparate. The word disparate refers to things that are fundamentally different from each other, and don't have any commonality. Two things can be called disparate if they are so unlike each other that there is no way to compare them meaningfully. For example, two people with radically different beliefs or interests might be described as disparate. The term is often used to contrast two things that are incompatible or cannot be reconciled. To sum it up, disparate things are strongly dissimilar, and can't easily be compared or united.